My name is Jergus Koplik and I work in a pharmaceutical company named Farmak, located in Olomouc, Czech Republic. I work in a technology department as a technologist, and my responsibility is to supporting the manufacturing and preparation of the batch records, validations and process optimizations in order to achieve better quality and the yield of our APIs. I think the big challenge for the pharmaceutical companies located in Europe is to be more independent on the Asia pharmaceutical companies, and also the sustainability and the reduction of the carbon. That's the main challenges, I think. I think that definitely Industry 4.0 and the implementation of AI looks very helpful. Definitely personalized medicines, which is focused on a cure of the rare diseases using the CRISPR gene technology. Definitely the reduction of packaging waste and using the digital system instead of the paper-based system.